This is the raw water from the customer site's bore well, which was brown in color. By installing an iron removal filtration system, we were able to transform it into crystal clear water. This is our area of expertise, and we often face challenges like this, such as dealing with high brown water on many of our sites. Due to this brown water, many apartments, individual houses, villas, and flats have been affected. We are pioneers in installing an automatic iron removal filtration system that requires no maintenance and comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, the customers can use the product and water without any issues. In Chennai, most bore water and well water is like this, but many people don't realize that after building a house and installing a bore well, the water may appear clear at first. However, after leaving the water standing for about 2 hours, it changes into yellow color due to exposure to air, and this is what is known as iron water. If the water turns yellow, even installing another bore well won't help, as the water will still turn yellow. The only solution is to remove the iron and get permanent, crystal clear water. This site is located between Royapettah to Mylapore. It is a 16-flat apartment. Here, by installing an iron removal filtration system, we have transformed the raw water into crystal clear water, showcasing our quality workmanship. This is the terrace, where there is an existing room that accommodate our filtration plant. Since it's a 16-flat apartment, we have placed the aeration tank to match the capacity. To ensure enough space, we placed the aeration tank in the corner, leaving the rest of the area empty. To avoid the pipes being visible and causing any obstruction, we've integrated the pipelines into the existing pipeline duct. There are 2 bores, both of which have iron contamination. The water first flows into the aeration tank, then into the iron removal plant, and finally reaches the overhead tank as crystal clear water. This is the goal we aimed for, and we have successfully achieved it. This is the bypass line. We have installed 2 bypass lines since we have 2 bores. The aeration tank should not be kept closed because it needs airflow to circulate oxygen. To prevent bird droppings, we've placed a mesh on top. The water appears completely brown in color due to the mesh and the formation of algae, giving it a brownish-green hue. This is the raw water. You can see the effect of the brown water in the pipe itself. Both tanks are interconnected. The filter feed pump is positioned about half a foot from the ground to allow sedimentation to settle. From here, the pipeline leads to the plant area. Notice the quality of the pipeline workmanship. As part of the project, our goal is not only to change the color of the water but also to ensure that the pipelines are properly aligned and installed for customer satisfaction. This is a major requirement from the customer, and we have successfully fulfilled it. The filter feed pump processes brown or iron-rich water from the aeration tank into the filtration plant, resulting in crystal clear water being stored in the overhead tank. The filtration system has a daily capacity of 10,000 to 12,000 liters and operates fully automatically, requiring no manual intervention or backwashing. The filters are designed to last for about 15 years without needing media replacement, and we provide a 10-year warranty for inside media and outer cylinders. We assure that the plant requires no servicing or manual intervention. While you may notice all other vendors' product also blue color cylinder to your visual, but our plant is different, and we take pride in the fact that it operates with a fully automatic system that never requires media replacement. At the same time, the customer is completely satisfied with this setup. This is the treated water tap, which allows us to check the water quality directly without having to go up to the overhead tank to see if the color is changing. On the right side is the raw water sample, and on the left side is the treated water sample. You can clearly see the live difference, and the customer is very pleased with the results. This line leads to the overhead tank, which distributes the treated water throughout the entire building. If the tap provides crystal clear water while the aeration tank still looks brown, you might wonder where the brown water goes. It gets directed into this line for backwashing. This is the process that occurs daily, with the brown water being separated from the aeration tank and all iron contamination flushed away through this line for backwash. This is the overhead tank with an 8,000 liter capacity. As you can see, the water is crystal clear, so clear that you can see the bottom of the tank. The difference in color between the aeration tank and the overhead tank is a live demonstration of the filtration process. After seeing the results, the customer is very pleased and has become another satisfied customer. Thank you.